Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be going on a money magnet rampage. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, or if you would like to join my collective coaching program, all of the information will be in the description box down below, or you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information and links will be there as well. Let's get into it. In spirit of this green, abundant background that's going on, I am in a Thailand rainforest right now. I wanted to do a money magnet rampage. So let's go. You are a money magnet. Whenever you think, breathe, exist, you get another dollar. Every single time you spend $1, 10 more dollars come back to you. You are living in abundance. You have an abundance mindset. You are not restricted by society's rules and thoughts on how to make money. You know that you are worthy of money. You are worthy of everything that money has to offer, including an amazing, comfortable house, a comfortable neighborhood, buying the clothes that you absolutely adore, eating the healthy food that you adore, being able to be comfortable and get a doctor in the middle of the night during an emergency situation, affording university for your future children, just having a better off life, because you know that money is energy, and your energy is that I am worthy of the best things that life has to offer, because I am the best thing that life has to offer. So shouldn't my life match that? Exactly. You know that it's not about hard work. It is simply about understanding that you are worthy of it now. The best experiences, the best memories, all of the supplies, all of the resources, the comfort, the happiness, the opportunity, absolutely every single thing that money has to offer. You know that you deserve it because you do. You are living your best, highest, abundant timeline now because you are an abundant person. You have an abundant mindset. You know that there is way more resources that life has to offer. Absolutely every single person. We are not restricted and we are not competing for resources or money. You are not in a restrictive mindset, you are in an abundance mindset. There's more of where that came from. Abundance multiplies abundance. You attract abundance by being abundance. You understand that you cannot help the poor get rich by being poor. The way that you help the poor is by attaining the resources, the abundance, the opportunities to raise yourself up. Then you are able to have the strength to take your hand and lift others up just through your energy alone. It doesn't have to be something physical like charities or giving other people money. It is your energy, because your cup is now full, because you are replenished of energy and resources. You are provided for. The universe provides for you in so many ways. The universe provides for you so much that you have so much energy to give to others. You have so much resources to give to others, and you are happy in sharing those resources to others. You expand with this world through the resources that you have. For example, you can go paddleboarding in Thailand and have the best time ever and expand through that opportunity. You're now able to teach your friend how to paddleboard. You have the resources to go to another country like Turkey, meet people that are not born in your country and learn from them. You are expanding yourself. The universe wants you to expand because the universe itself is expanding. You are a money magnet. Anytime you see something that you like, you can easily get it and then some, 10 times over. You can stay in the best resorts, you can buy the best clothes that money has to offer, the best experiences money has to offer, the best skincare, the best things that you love for your hobby. the best makeup, the best hair products, things for your sporting activities. You can now go to the best gym where you are comfortable. There's less people and there's more machines. You have more time now, and you know that you can go anywhere and do anything, so you can put in more energy in yourself to learn another language, so you can converse and be kind to someone in another country, or you are helping your mother who has never been to a country that she has been dreaming about for all of her life, and you are helping her get to that country. You are providing for her in that way. You are providing for your children. You are providing for the people that you love, and you know that you have the time and the energy and the resources to do so, because you have more than enough time, energy and money and resources for yourself to be able to buy any materialistic item, to buy any experience, to go anywhere that you want, to buy things for your hobby, to buy things for your beauty, for your health, for absolutely every single thing that you can imagine on this planet for yourself. The universe simply does not say no. It is saying yes to you and yes to you and yes to you non-stop, because you are a money magnet. You know that your work is of high service and worthy of massive compensation, whether you are just existing and you get paid handsomely just to exist, and your existence is benefiting people because they are so inspired, or you have a specific intentional business. There is no right or wrong, and people are benefiting from your business. Your existence, your work, your business is of the highest service and worthy of all of the money in the world. Anytime you think of money, anytime you think of wanting to buy something or an experience or anything that you can to give your money away in exchange for something that you want, anytime you think of that, anytime you drink water, anytime you eat, anytime you converse with someone, anytime you brush your hair, anytime you exist, anytime you do anything, you get paid more. Anytime you put on your clothes, anytime you think of anything, anytime you talk to your mom, your parents, your friends, anytime you form a thought, anytime you take a step, anytime you go to sleep, anytime you take a shower, anytime you go to school, anytime you go to work, anytime you do anything, you get quadruple the amount of money that you want. Money just keeps falling and falling into your lap because you deserve it. There is nothing in this world that you cannot buy. You are living your best life. You are living your most free, most comfortable life, where you go on Instagram and you see a destination, or you see an item, or you see that influencer living that lavish lifestyle, and you are able to do that times 2 and then some moreover, because you just have way more than you know what to do with. You have paid off all of your debts, your student loans, your credit, absolutely every single thing you have paid off and then some, and now you're just confused and you don't know what to do with yourself because you have way more money than you know what to do with. You are never in lack. You are always provided for. You don't have to think, how can I earn money to get this? Money is never a reason why you say no. You just say no because you're not happy doing this thing or something else excites you. But money never holds you back. You are completely free. Do you know what freedom means? It means that whenever you think of something, you get it. Whenever you think to go to Greece, you go to Greece. Whenever the newest iPhone comes out, you get the newest iPhone. You do not need to struggle and strain thinking, when is my next meal going to be? You do not have to struggle and strain studying non-stop and thinking, oh my God, I need to get a good high-paying job. You are always provided for. You get paid to exist, to breathe, to love, to be happy, to inspire others. And that is the way that it is, because I said so and because you deserve it. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.